to show you how to shoot. And we just eat a castle gun, and I just ate it. And I'm gonna shoot this
Dirt clod.
And I'm gonna show you how to shoot. And I just got this new pink BB gun too. And I'm with Mimi and Papa, and this is how you're gonna shoot. Make sure to grab 2 fingers, cause it's in. You're supposed to put it up to your shirt, your shoulders, and get really close, cause I know how to shoot and you guys don't. So you guys are just gonna watch. Ah, close.
Payton.
Bye. Bye, everybody. It's